Hello boys and girls, welcome back. Say hello monkeys, hello. Here's his bottle of milk. And we're going to have a look at another new sound. Whoa. Before we start, we're going to go over the sounds we already know. Okay? Monkey, you have to sit down here and be quiet. Okay? Sit down and be quiet and listen. Okay, let's start. The sounds we already know, action and sound. I'm listening and I'm watching down all those screens. Tongue up. Bite your lip. B, b, b. Oh, 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 oh. G, 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 g. Ah, ah. E, 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 e. Ah, 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 ah. A, A, A. J, 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 J. Very good. Let's move on and have a look at the new one. Look at the sound. Wow, this is all one sound. Okay? Look at the action. And listen to the sound. Oh, 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 oh. What happened? The old oak tree fell down on top of the goat. Oh, 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 oh. Let's sing together. Oh, did you see the billy goat? Oh, 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 oh. Did you see the billy goat under the old oak tree? Oh, oh, oh. Very good. Let's have a, can you see anything here that has the O in it? There's very few words that start with the O, but there's lots of words that have the O in it. How do we write this? What's this animal? G. Oat. Goat. Goat has the O. This tree is called an oak tree. Oak tree. What's this? Boat. A boat. It has the O in the middle. Very good. Let's see how we write it. Whoa, this is for big boys and girls. Magic fingers. Let's go. Around. Over. Around. Up and down. Around. Over. Around. Up and down. All together. O. O. Around. Over to the other dot. Around. Up and down. Excellent. Let's see, can we read a word with the O in it? Tricky question. Think, think, think. Thinking brains. How many sounds are here? How many sounds? Very good. 3. Well done. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3 sounds. And how do we read 3 sounds? On our arms. Let's go together. B, oats, b, oats, b, oats, boat, boat, a boat. Well done. Let's have a look at another one. How many sounds are here? They've all moved, all my dots. We have to rub out these dots and put new dots. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 3 sounds. Well done. Who said 3? Let's go. On our arms, 3 sounds. O, 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 fo, fo, foam, foam. Lots of foam when we wash our hands. Shaving foam. One more. How many sounds are here? How many sounds are here? 1, 2, 3, 4 sounds. And how do we read 4 sounds? On your head. Let's go. Everybody together. G, O, N. G, O, N. G, O, N. Grow, grown, 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 grown. Very good. Beautiful reading, everybody. Let's sing our song one more time. Let's see. Let's go. I want to see the actions. Actions. Oh, did you see the billy goat? Oh, 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 oh. Did you see the billy goat under the old oak tree? Oh, oh. Well done. Beautiful singing. Bye-bye. See you next time.